Oh, hello, everybody. Hope you had a lovely weekend. It's Monday again. They're rolling around quickly, aren't they? Well, for those of you who are regulars here, welcome back. And for those of you who are new, I am Rachel. I am the founder of AI Alchemy. And my aim here on this channel is to help uh, women in business create more visibility and more traction in their business in less time using fewer systems that actually work for you in your real life. And if your real life's anything like mine at the moment, it involves school runs, very muddy horses, sick days, and the arrival of the dreaded Christmas elves. Say no more. Right, now, usual format's going to apply. Today, I'm going to talk to you about two new AI updates that are hitting the headlines. And more importantly, I'm going to outline how these two tools propose to transform the way you go into business and do your work as we prepare at least to move into 2026. Then, as usual, I come back on Wednesday. I select one of these two tools to work with and to road test. I then go away for another 36 hours, come back on Friday, and I give you my honest and unbiased opinions on what I have experienced in terms of using that tool. So, Monday lives are generally quite short and sweet, so let's jump in. The first tool I want to talk about today really is making waves at the moment. There's an awful lot of interest about this one. It is OpenAI Canvas. Now, this is the all new all in one workspace, if you like, where you can write, think, edit, generate, organize, plan, build, all inside one dynamic canvas instead of jumping between a variety of different tools as we have got used to doing in the past. So I think it's fair to say that Canvas is the first step towards a true workflow AI rather than just a prompt response system. And that's really getting people very, very excited. There's a lot of interest to see how this particular tool is going to function. If it does, as it promises, it's going to allow you to draft content, edit in real time, move sections around, generate ideas, rewrite with different tones and styles. It's going to enable you to collaborate and build multi-step projects, all while keeping everything structured and searchable in the one platform. Now, this is obviously going to make significant changes for entrepreneurs and business owners because you're going to have no more tabs, no more scattered systems, no more copy paste between different tools. Faster content production, which for those of us who are wanting to work towards a 10-hour week, that is going to be something we're very, very interested in. And ultimately, it's going to give you more clarity and probably a better visibility of your business because you're seeing everything all in one place. So again, for those of us that are adhering or trying to achieve the 10-hour work week, and hats off to you, if that is your goal, then this kind of tool is exactly the sort of shift that is going to make that working aspiration possible. Now, my prediction at the moment is that OpenAI Canvas is going to replace tools like Notion, like Google Docs, and probably most of the content planning tools that a huge proportion of us creators and business owners use. I think as we move into 2026, OpenAI Canvas is just going to grow and grow as long as users like us, get the results that we are being promised. It's an exciting one, that, isn't it? Now, tool number 2, bit different, But a bit of fun, actually. Instagram's new AI creation tools. So Instagram has released this tool for AI backgrounds, AI expand, remove, edit, stickers, scene shifts for reels. So it's quite a different thing, and I think that AI is trying, Instagram is trying to keep up with some of the the other tools that we are now sort of reaching for as content creators. Instagram is officially positioning itself as a creator production tool by making this step rather than just a posting platform, and that's quite a bold move for Instagram. This is going to help you speed up content creation, reduce editing time, and allow everyday people to make really polished visuals. I think a step like this is Instagram's way of challenging tools like CapCut and to some extent TikTok directly. Now, this is going to help small brands create better content without the need of hiring designers or spending hours and hours, fine-tuning your work. So examples where this could be beneficial: changing the background of a photograph without needing the traditional green screen behind it, expanding a cropped image into a full frame reel, removing clutter instantly, creating custom brand stickers, which could be really, really good if you want to get logos and products and things in there, making your reels look more cinematic. And then transitions and visual polish without the need of separate apps. So this could really speed up what you're doing, but also potentially save you a bit of money if you're paying for editing tools outside of this new tool. So I think this is going to be really, really popular with busy mums, founders, side hustlers, and basically anyone who wants to be visible but doesn't have hours and hours in a day to edit their content. So this is quite an interesting move. This is accessible AI. It's the kind that supports the lifestyle that us working towards the 10-hour week are looking to build. Now, the big question for 2026, which of these tools actually helps you create faster, better, more consistent content without taking over your life? Well, that is the test that I will be setting on Wednesday when I come back and choose one of these new tools. So if you can, set your calendars and join me for 1:00 on Wednesday when I will be picking one of these tools that I'm going to put through the road test. I have my criteria that I look for when we're breaking down ease of use. We've got a puppy just arrived now. Speed, quality, workflow, fit, and return on your investment. And I will then be back on Friday to give you my honest verdict and let you know if this new tool is going to find its place in my AI Alchemy toolkit. I think for now, I've got a puppy who wants some attention. So I am going to bid you farewell, and I will be back at 1:00 on Wednesday. Have a wonderful, wonderful week.